Make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell button so y'all can get notifications whenever I upload something. I'm back and we're here today with a ninja bun, ice cream bun tutorial. Today my first time doing it. Like, I've always wanted to get it done and stuff like that, but the prices that people charge to do something that looks so fucking simple, $75, $80, $100, $150. Go purchase me a pack of this kind of hair. Okay, that black and gold. I know y'all know about that black and gold. That black and gold. Okay, that black and gold. Okay, y'all niggas do too, because I know y'all girls, your baby mamas and shit, send y'all to the beauty supply to get your black and gold. Get the black and gold. If you ain't got black and gold, you're going back to the beauty supply. Know that. Or you might get some Rasta. And I got some edge control. This is my favorite edge control. I don't know about nobody else, but this is the edge control that I like to use. I don't know if y'all can see that. A lot of body. I got coconut, shea oil. You need just some spritz. This is the spritz that I like to get. I get the spray kind too, but this will work as well. And you need some bobby pins, like bobby pins. Oh, and I got these too, y'all. Doll it up, make it look good, make it look purty. Purty, okay? Purty. So, stay tuned. Oh, y'all see the color that I'm putting on top of that? On top of my hair? We about to rinse this out and come right back. So basically what you want to do is blow dry your hair and make sure you get the roots. Like, the roots is very important. I don't know why people forget that, but the roots is very important for you to dry. Spread it out with your fingers, separate it with your fingers. You will get to the roots, I promise you. If not, your hair will be smelling like a wet dog. So get your fingers, spread out your hair with your fingers, get up in there like that, just like that. You want to make sure it's real dry all the way at the tips, okay? From the roots to the tips. You want to make sure your hair is dry, okay? However you do it, get it dry, okay? Let's speed this up. So like I explained before, y'all want to make sure y'all roots is dry. Make sure y'all get up in there real good. You know what I'm saying? Make sure it's real dry. Put the comb on that blow dryer and make sure your hair is dry. Don't play. You don't want your hair to be stinking. And I know y'all know what stink hair smell like. So however, I'm gonna need y'all to blow dry your hair all the way from the roots to the tips. From the tips to the roots. I need y'all to make sure your hair is dry all the way in the back. Get up in there, all the way up in there. Get up in there. Separate that hair. Get up in there. Get up in there. Make sure it's dry. That's all you gotta do. And okay, so now that we got my hair blow dried, as y'all can see, usually I let my hair get a little more dry before I start working on it, but we gonna get straight to work. This is, let me show y'all the color first. Well, no, we're gonna show y'all that later. So anyway, let's get the bun part done. Okay, so what I like to do usually when I get a bun is pull all my hair forward like this with a brush, like this, just to get it started, to mold my ponytail, to mold it where I want it, to mold it how high I want it. This is how you get it started for the molding process. Okay, so we want the bun kind of like back here a little, probably a little bit further. Let's see, you're gonna do it like right here, like center. Okay, we're gonna brush it all up here, and if I mess up, don't worry, I'll get y'all bun perfect. Nah, but so that's where we want our bun, right smack dab in the center. Okay, that's where we want our bun at, right in the center. Okay, so this is how we do it. This is how we do it. And no, this is not the bun, but this is how you get the molding process. Okay? Okay. So, ladies, pay attention. Let's begin. Will not be taking it down anymore. Get all the hairs. This is a ninja bun with no baby hairs. I really don't do the baby hair thing. I don't know about anybody else. I tried it. Look like a grown ass fucking toddler. And they're cute and all, but me personally, I'm not a baby hair fan. And I got a lot of hair, and like I said at the beginning, this is my first time doing a bun. So this is what y'all want y'all outcome to be when y'all done doing y'all bun and y'all want it to be slick. This how it should look. This how your bun should look. Nice, neat, slick, no straight hairs, nothing. You can always clean it up when you're done doing your bun. And let's get to it. Okay, so like I said, this how y'all want y'all bun to be. Nice, neat, clean around it. And I don't know, like I told y'all, this is my first time ever doing my hair. So, in this style that we doing today, so what we doing is we gonna make this as small and as tight as we can. Okay. I'm gonna put a rubber band on it, all that. But we want to make this as tight as possible so it can be small, okay? You wanted a chicken head bun. Okay, so get a rubber band. You want to put this on here as tight as you could probably get it, of course. You want it as tight as you could possibly get it, okay? So, you want to, and ladies, like I said, it's my first time doing it. I'm just trying to see how it's gonna come out. and however it come out, it come out. So here is the hair right here that we're going to use today. We're going to take this bottom one off. Okay, so this is the hair that we're using. Braiding hair, black and gold. This is what we doing. Okay. Okay, this is what we doing. So what you want to do is you want to first neaten it up a little bit. You always want to neaten out your hair before you just put it on you. See, and like I said, I'm not a fan of doing this style. I seen it, somebody requested it, and I'm doing it. Okay, so you just want to tie this around here really good. Really good. You want to do that. You know what I'm saying? Do it like that. Okay? That's how you want to do it. Okay? Now, how I saw it done and how it's supposed to be done, I don't know. We're going to brush this hair out. You know what I'm saying? That's how we're going to do that. We're going to brush this out nice and neat. Nice and neat, y'all. Okay, so what you want to do is twist this same way I'm twisting it. Y'all see how I'm twisting it, right? Y'all see that, right? Okay, so that's basically what y'all want to do. Like I said, I've never done this hairstyle before. I've never done this hairstyle before. It was requested, and I'm doing it. Okay. Like I stated before, I've never done this hairstyle. It was requested, and I'm doing it. So what I'm about to do here is put a bobby pin at the end. They say you could just tuck it, but I don't trust that. I don't trust just tucking anything when it comes to your hair. You want it sturdy. Okay? have your ice cream bun now. We definitely gonna tighten it up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna tighten it up a little bit. Okay, we're gonna tighten it up a little bit. We're gonna use a little bit of spritz, dibba dabba on that hoe. And just use it just like that. This ain't nothing but grease. Grease and edge control. Okay, and then you get the straight hairs right here. The hairstyle that I came out with. Now that I'm done, this is what it looks like.